Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how you can use Trello's board sections to enhance your organization skills. This is your full 2025 guide, so buckle up. Let's start by creating a new board. Click on the plus icon on the top right corner of your Trello homepage and select Create Board. Naming your board is crucial because it gives you a clear perspective of what the board is designated for. Now that we've done that, let's move on to creating sections within our board. You can find the Add a Section button right below your board's title. Click on it and type in the name of your section. This helps us because sections allow us to categorize tasks, making it easier to track progress and stay organized. Next up, you'll want to add cards to your sections. These cards represent individual tasks or pieces of information related to your project. Click on the Add a Card button within the section and fill in the necessary details. You see, the reason we do this is because cards are the basic units of a Trello board, and they help in breaking down your project into manageable tasks. Once you've added cards, it's time to customize them. Click on a card to open it, and you'll see options to add labels, members, due dates, and more. This is important because customizing cards allows you to add more specific details to your tasks and helps in better task management. Finally, remember to utilize the drag and drop feature to move your cards between different sections as you progress with your tasks. This simple action keeps your board up to date and gives you a visual representation of your workflow. And that's it. You've learned how to use Trello's board sections for enhanced organization. Remember, Trello's true power lies in its flexibility, so don't hesitate to experiment with different board structures and find what works best for you. Until next time, happy organizing.